Okay, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste, and I am the owner of Charmed Boutique, located in Selma, Georgia. And in today's video, I just got a couple of packages in. I have one here that I've already started opening, and then I have another one over, can you see? Over there that I'm going to get to. I wasn't expecting these packages until like Monday, Tuesday. I'm not opening up Mondays, but it would have came just Tuesday or whatever. But I mean, they delivered the packages, so I just want to show y'all basically what's new. Okay, so this is really cute. This is a faux leather. It's like a, what is it called? Let me see. Faux leather, color block, button down, shirt, tiered dress. So it could be wearing as a shirt or a dress. And it's buttoned down, and it has this cute tie on it. It's faux leather. It's really cute. It has a cute tie on it. It's color block, and I believe it also has pockets for sure. Yeah, it has pockets. So I thought this was really cute for spring because it's lightweight. It's not heavy. It's lightweight. And so I really thought that this, and it's a really good color, so I thought it would be cute for spring. So that's one. It comes in small to large. I just think, y'all can't tell me this is not adorable. With some, like, if you wear it as a dress, you can still wear your heels, right? But for some people might not want their legs out or whatever. So you can wear a nice skinny white pant underneath. Or you can wear a wide leg pant, white pant. Or you can do a wide leg denim pant. Listen, you can even play off of the colors and do a pant. Pick this pretty color, the brightest one, I would say, and wear a pant off of that. Come on now. This is cute. I think the ladies gonna love this. All right, and I haven't even sent my emails out for my on my email list, which I'm gonna do today, I guess, because I'm still expecting one more package, but you know, this is good for now. So let's open up the next one. Ooh, this one is okay. Ooh, I forgot. Y'all, I forgot. Let me show y'all what I got. I forgot. And I was just looking at this stuff yesterday, so I don't know how I forgot. I wonder where the shirt's at. Maybe they could be coming through somebody else. They better not have canceled the order, because you know they good for canceling the order because they be done ran out of stock. It's okay. Here we go. Y'all, I got the cutest denim dress. The cutest. Let me move this box out the way. I don't know what the shirt's at, because, okay, we're going to, let me look. Let me pull up Fashion Go and see why they haven't shipped out some of my stuff. I have the cutest denim dress. Most likely it'll come next week, though. Y'all. This is a large. Let me show y'all this dress. Stretchy. A little, just a teeny bit stretchy. Y'all, can y'all see that? Let me step back. I need to step back. And it has the tie. And it cinches at the waist already, because look at the stitching. So look at the stitching on the dress. Y'all see that it's already stitched to kind of cinch your waist in. Please don't play with me. Let me check Fashion Go to see where I have 3 more items that I don't have yet. I'm not missing. I just don't have them yet. I have 3 more items that I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on the shirts to go with that skirt that I purchased. This shirt to go with that skirt, and I'm gonna show y'all. And then I also have 2 sets. So let me go to my order history and see what they got going on. But this, y'all cannot tell me. And it's good quality, too. It don't smell weird, which is good. This is fire. I think the ladies gonna like this. What I'm gonna do is, I'm about to hurry up and put one of these on the mannequin. This and this, they about to be on the mannequin in the front ASAP. Boom. So let's see. Boom, boom, boom. $225. Fully shipped. I'm just I don't see this one. Oh, it says in transit. Okay. So let's see. It should be delivered today. Who delivering it? Is it UPS? Oh, it's UPS. So UPS is delivering the shirt. Because FedEx Ground delivered these 3 items. So yeah, it's going to be delivered today. The shirt. And then let me see about the other 2 items. Let's see. It says in transit. Let's see when they're going to deliver it. Oh, they might not have nothing ready for me for this one. Because it took them a minute to even approve this one. Like, I was waiting for them to say. Oh, yeah. So this one's not. The other 2, the sets, they're not coming till next week. So, we're not going to worry about that. But the shirt to these, to the skirt is coming today. But, yeah. So, boom. Those are the dresses. But I'm talking about when I'm selling, I'm about to help and put these on the mannequin. I'm not playing with y'all. And then I got the dresses right here. I mean, excuse me, skirts. And I thought these skirts were so... Are they embroidered? Y'all, hold on one second. I know these ain't... These embroidered? Oh my God, this is... Oh, the quality is already... The quality is already there. Already there. Depends with this stuff on. I'm about to try. I want to try on one of the dresses. This is a large. Just my size. You can't tell nobody nothing with dresses like this. Like, who? You can't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't even think about talking to me. But yeah, y'all. So let me stop playing. But that's it. I just wanted to show y'all some of my new arrivals. Like I said, I also have a shirt coming in. It's like a sweater. It's a lightweight sweater. Has a cute little cutout on the chest. It's short sleeve. And it's brown. It's just, I wanted to pair it with this skirt. And then I also have 2 sets coming in. One has like a pearl collar with pearl detailing on the pants. And then another set is just like a basic, it's a cute color. I chose a cute purple color. So it's just a basic top and bottom sweat set. Cute, but basic. So that's it, y'all. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.